Hey guys, welcome to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Ben and I'm going to be going through a couple of recipes and cooking every now and again and showing things I enjoy eating and cooking. So please subscribe to my channel. Also comment on videos and let me know what you think of the recipes. So today I'm actually going to be making smoked salmon caviar Blinis. Now, this is probably one of my favorite things to eat, especially at a party or to have as an hors d'oeuvre for whenever. I can actually have this any time of the day. It's really good and it's very simple to do. So, as you know, with cooking, the first thing you do is making sure everything's prepped and ready, because it just makes your life a lot easier. So, I've got my salmon ready, cut up already. I've got my chives and dill. I've got my creme fraiche and I've got some caviar. I've got two types of caviar here. I've got my standard lumpfish caviar and the roe. So without further ado, let's start. Oh, by the way, I do need a drink to cook. It's like, who doesn't? So yeah. So first thing to do is preheat your oven to 200 degrees, ready to toast your Blinis. As you can see, I've actually done this already. So I've preheated my oven to 200 degrees. I've actually toasted my Blinis. You toast them for about 4 minutes to give them that little bit of a crisp edge. Now, once that's toasted, you can actually start plating your Blinis ready to serve. So first thing we do is place our Blinis on your serving tray, or you can even do this on a baking sheet or whatnot. So just to make it look slightly pretty. So what you do, you've got your Blinis on a plate, and the first thing you do is put your salmon onto the Blinis. So what I do, rather than being too precise, I just roughly chop up the salmon either with a knife or just pull them apart with my finger. This isn't meant to be a fancy starter. It's just something that I enjoy with my friends or I enjoy for myself. So just put that on there. There we go. And we then move on to half a teaspoon of creme fraiche. So just a little dollop on each one. Now, like I say, this is so simple. It is such a good thing to have. Like, if you ever do want to impress friends or you want to experience something different as a starter rather than the same sort of thing, this is something I would recommend you serve in. As you can see. So that's done. And then clean my hands. Then we've got our caviar here. So just a little dollop of caviar on each Blini. Now, caviar is such an expensive thing, but if you can't afford or you can't be bothered to spend so much money on caviar, you can actually go to your local supermarket and get the supermarket brands. Yes, there's a slight difference in the way it does taste, but regardless, you still sort of get the same, you still sort of get almost the same texture in a sense. And like I say, caviar is not for everyone, but I've always been very adventurous with my food and I've always thought, I think people should try it at least once. So Unfortunately, I've actually done it all with one type of caviar, but for those who would want to, you could try it with the roe, and it's actually still got the same texture. Then all I do is just a little bit of garnish on that. And that's it. You're pretty much done. That's pretty much it. So you've got yourself a simple starter, and this is great with any type of champagne. So let's actually try and taste one of these to see what they taste like. That is really delicious. I recommend anyone to try this once. So what I would say is, please try making this yourself and let me know what it tastes like, and let me know if you enjoy it or if you've got any other ideas to add to your little smoked salmon bellinis. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you guys again next time. Bye.